Hey YouTube, it's NowIamNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. But before I begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my wonderful tips that I'm sharing with you guys. Okay, so this week I'm featuring the herb Horestail. Now Horestail is wonderful, has been used in the Ayurvedic community and has been used in medicine to help heal a number of ailments. So definitely check out my blog to learn all the benefits of Horestail. And then stay tuned so I can actually show you guys how I make it. But first, let's just talk a little bit about Horestail and why it's so good for your hair. Now, Horestail has silica in it, and silica helps build collagen in your hair and in your nails. Now, this is really good for help strengthening the hair and helping it grow longer. So it's one of the benefits that many people say when they use Horestail. Now, Horestail is not only good for external use, but it's really good for internal use. So go ahead and brew your tea and let's get to mixing for our wonderful hair benefits. So begin by boiling 2 cups of hot water. Now I mistakenly added the hot water first before I added the herbs to the mixture. So you first should add the herbs in and then pour the hot water on top. Next, follow up with about 2 tablespoons of Horestail extract. After I added the Horestail, I then added more hot water on top to make sure all the herbs were completely submerged in hot water. I'm also brewing some fenugreek off to the side. I will attach my video on how I make my fenugreek right up top here, and I'll let this mixture sit for a minimum of 12 hours. After 12 hours, I take my fenugreek and strain it and receive about a 1/4 cup. Next, I add about 8 to 9 ounces of Horestail tea to my spray bottle as well. Okay, now that I've made my tea mix, we want to go ahead and shampoo our hair to rid it of any dirt and oils so that the tea can fully absorb into our hair and we can maximize the benefits of silica and many other minerals and herbs, minerals and vitamins. So let's go ahead and hop in the shower. If you note, I'll be using a clay mix. I'll be using my Rasul clay. If you want a video on how I make it, I'll link it up top and probably down below as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and come back on to do the tea. Okay, so I just finished clay washing my hair and my face. So I'm gonna go in with this tea and I'm gonna focus on the roots and then work it down the ends of my hair, okay? Now you can do this in the shower if you like, because it can get a little bit messy as the tea drips down. I like to make sure this section is thoroughly saturated. Then right after that, I go ahead and with my deep conditioner. Now I'm using Unicurl's deep conditioner, which I love. And then I go ahead and coat that section up. 2-strand twist it, and then move on to the next section. Okay, so I'm going to do that for the rest of my hair. Okay, so all of my hair is coated with the tea and the deep conditioner. Now I'm going to go ahead and let that set in for about 30 minutes. I just sprayed more on top after I put the conditioner in so that my hair is completely drenched. I used about maybe half the bottle, so about maybe 8 ounces of the tea. I'll be using the rest during the week or maybe as a final rinse after I rinse out the conditioner. But I'm going to go steam for at least 30 minutes and then come back on. And well, I'll steam for 30 minutes and then I'll rinse it out and come back on and talk about my hair. All right? Okay, so I just finished washing my hair and rinsing out the conditioner. This is how much I have left of the spray. I did use it to help me detangle. My hair felt so really soft and moisturized. Now with the remaining bit of spray and tea that you may have left, you can use this throughout the week as the liquid in your LCL or LOC method. And that's it, you guys. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the blog and on Instagram and seeing you again next week for next week's Tip Tuesday. All right? Bye.